Thanks for stopping by 818 How To. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare spicy mincemeat. Enjoy.
Spicy mince meat. Add oil. Check if the pan has reached medium heat. I tested by also adding a bit of chopped onions, and when I see them sizzle, I know the pan has reached the right temperature. Now add the chopped onions and let them fry until they reach a nice golden brown color. Add garlic powder, ginger powder, and mix well. You do have a choice to either use powdered spices or chopped ginger and garlic. Add tomato ketchup depending how sweet and tangy you'd like the dish to be. Again, you can use a chopped tomato instead. The choice is yours. Add salt to taste and stir. After the added ingredients form a paste, I move them over to a separate bowl. Now add in the minced meat and break it down into small chunks. Put the lid on so that it cooks at an even temperature. Remove the lid, stir, and add a masala-based mix. This step is optional. I'm adding the mix for extra flavoring. You can add your own spice mix of your choosing if needed. Now add the ingredients that form the paste to the meat along with water, which will make the gravy. Cover with the lid and let it cook on simmer for 20 minutes. Open the lid and add garnishing such as mint leaves or coriander leaves. It will enhance the flavor and add that extra touch to the dish. Spicy mincemeat, done.
And there you have it. Thanks for stopping by 818 How To. If you found this video useful, be sure to like this video. And tons of DIY stuff coming up on this channel. There are tons of videos still in queue that need to be uploaded. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, this is Savio signing out and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.